Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm starting the build of my Home SOC Lab. And in this part, I'll be focusing only on setting up Wazuh and configuring its agents. This is the foundation of the entire SOC environment. Before we simulate attacks or integrate firewalls and IDS, we first need a working SIEM that can collect logs from endpoints. So today's goal is simple: deploy Wazuh successfully and connect agents to it. Let's quickly understand what Wazuh actually is. So, Wazuh is an open source security monitoring platform. It works as a SIM solution that collects logs from systems, analyzes them, and generates security alerts based on rules. It can monitor authentication logs, file changes, system activity, and a lot more. It basically gives visibility into what's happening inside your endpoints. Now, how am I using it in this SOC lab? In my setup, Wazuh is installed on a dedicated VM inside my SOC network. This machine acts as the Wazuh manager. Then I installed Wazuh agents on my Windows machine, including my domain controller and my Windows 10 client system endpoint. These agents send system logs and security events directly to the Wazuh server. So now for installing Wazuh, I'm going to see the original Wazuh documentation. So there are two steps to install the Wazuh on my SIEM virtual machine for my project, and that is quick start and installation guide. So I'm going to use the quick start one. Here we can find all the information that are needed to be known before installing the Wazuh. So the commands are given here. So I'm going to use the commands from this page only to access my Wazuh dashboard. Now we are going to start to run Wazuh installation assistant on our SIEM virtual machine. So let's copy the command. Let's open our virtual machine. As you can see, the updation and installation process has started. Now we are going to wait for it to get completed. The installation has been completed. Now is the time to access the dashboard. Says warning. I will go for advanced. Accept risk and continue. As you can see, I'm able to access the Wazuh dashboard. Now I have to write the username, admin, password. See, it has been provided here, user admin and password. Just copy it. The setup of the Wazuh has been completed now. The next step is to deploy new agents. It's the time to install Wazuh agent on our domain controller and endpoint. So basically, deploy new agent and taken Windows package here I have written the server IP of my Wazuh machine and the command has been formed. Now I have to just copy this command and paste it on my Wazuh, on my on my endpoint machine as it is for endpoint machine. So yes. So the whole procedure is done. I have the Wazuh agent is already installed in it, and I have also started the Wazuh agent. So the service has started, and Wazuh service was working successfully. So now in the dashboard, let us see whether we are getting the agent or not. I have just now refreshed the page. So yeah, you can see here two active agents. So the one is domain controller and the another one is endpoint. In the next video, I'll be installing Sysmon on both the domain controller and the Windows 10 machine. That's where things start getting interesting because Sysmon gives much deeper visibility into process activity, network connections, and system changes. Once Sysmon logs are properly integrated into Wazuh, we'll actually have meaningful telemetry to work with. So, step by step, we are building this the right way infrastructure first, visibility next, detection engineering after that. If you're building your own SOC lab, follow along. I'll be documenting each phase clearly and practically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.